They say 90% of day traders lose money. It's a high-stakes game of frantic clicks, constant stress, and watching your portfolio swing wildly between gains and devastating losses in a matter of minutes. The pressure is immense, the anxiety palpable, as you try to predict the unpredictable chaos of the market's daily whims. But there's another way. Picture the long-term investor, calmly observing the steady upward climb of an index like the QQQ over 2 decades. Their approach isn't about frantic timing. It's about patient participation in the market's proven history of growth. They understand that real wealth isn't built in a day. Imagine 2 paths on a chart. One is a jagged, volatile line, spiking up and crashing down, the roller coaster of day trading. The other is a smooth, ascending curve, representing the power of long-term investing, weathering storms, and consistently growing over time. This isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Ultimately, the most reliable path to financial success isn't about guessing the market's next move. It's about patience, discipline, and remembering one simple, powerful truth. Time in the market beats timing the market.